Because enough man alive on a ball and saying poor. No man, no man poor.
Once you have life, you're rich.
When you have life, you're rotten rich.
Rotten rich.
Because you see when the man dead,
yeah.
if you have a trillion of money, you can't get $1 with him.
True.
So you're poor.
True.
So, this is how boy and you take out and crush you out.
So you do it?
Yeah, so I make the body I soup. You know,
but it's yellow though, man.
Yeah, man, when you use no flour and sit in a soup, you just use this.
Beautiful parish of Hanover, and today we'll be eating at one of our very own Jamaican Jerk champion food spots. This is the furthest I've been to the west. The furthest I've been before now was St. James, and now we're in Hanover. Remember to subscribe, you might never know where we might end up next in Jamaica, eating some good Jamaican food and showcasing the island. Pinpoint, I'm on the streets of Beach Road, right here in Green Island, Hanover, and we're about to eat good Jamaican food. That's a jerk spot behind her right there. He's been doing this for over 30 years. This is the great Biggs. Wanna know what that before I would try some jerk chicken. But it's not just jerk chicken on the menu, other stuff on the menu like soup and more stuff around the back inside of the kitchen where I'm gonna prepare like home style chicken and many other stuff. So it's not just jerk chicken, but he's a jerk champion. Crazy vibes. Wanna know the vibes? We're heading inside to see what going on right now. Biggs already set up the fire right there, and wanna know chicken soon jump on because them chicken are well seasoned from long time. Ready and waiting. Let's go. Yes, man.
You use Christian Island lights too, man.
Eh?
You use Christian Island lights.
Can you use Christian Island lights too?
Alright, the aisle. Remain in drum.
And that affect the taste of the chicken.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
So
you use bramble, the real country way. I don't have St. Mary who call him a bramble too, you know.
Man,
I see you, mate.
And then now you see pan. That's up on 130 years.
When you're shining, what is shine, sir?
That is 130 years.
More than 30 years?
Yeah, I think right
so
now.
you keep the color like this?
Wash the pan, man.
What?
Just like I wash the pot, man. You go on place and buy food and see man dirty teeth and dirty pot. You're not supposed to eat no food. Rat teeth, man, you're supposed to put no food there. Man, keep it clean and man, close it clean and the place is clean. That's what I say.
True, man.
I don't want my pan wash, man. I don't put my pan overnight. So the first time in CB, I have them pan chicken thing.
Yeah.
We get this pan from them time. The first time I don't put beach, Montego Beach. And I mean, we know the Hanover winning number one prize in Hanover.
And from them time they have
yeah, and any management in a CB should come look on this right now. I don't know side and give me from them the time there. So I just take out the paint off right and just clean it up and keep it like this. It's not a chrome pan. Water and smoky like this. So if your pan not clean, the chicken not go clean either. You see me I say?
Whoa.
So your pan will clean.
Word from the jerk chicken champion himself.
Yeah man, and your man said not eat chicken pipe full of smoke. I'll tell you something, man. I do this over 30 years. Because eating chicken, when I go and man a jerk chicken, you see a water and beer, a spoon on the beer, on the chicken. If you eat that, you can't digest. Because the chicken absorbing the smoke from the water and throwing it.
Whoa.
So when the chicken absorbs the smoke and you eat it in your belly, you can't come out. You have a belch of smoke, you have a belch. Yeah?
Oh God. No, Biggs, I first I eat them thing for real.
I tell her, brother.
Whoa.
Because me have man will tell you not eat jerk chicken because when you eat it, you can't digest. Mr. Boss, me I give you a quarter and I charge you for it. Next time you come in work, you know, we're saying nothing, so I like chicken and then gone. Because chicken if you throw, you're not supposed to have chicken and jerk and throw water in that pan.
Not supposed to do
No,
that.
because the smoke from the water going to the pan, the chicken
Absorb all of that.
So when you eat the chicken on your belt, you pay smoke your belt because the meat have been smoke, so you're going to smoke it can't come.
First, me I hear this man, big
original thing, man.
Original jerk champion, I tell you now, go on. Amazing. Look on the man, pan man.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
CB home is some money, you know.
Yeah, yo, this pan is chrome.
I know chrome man, a normal pan, man. I wash clean.
I wash clean.
Yeah, man. I'm doing the work you wash. Yeah, man.
Whoa.
One time in America, and my wife, I use the pan. And she called me up and said, what go on and thing. I said to her, I said, what am I jerk pan? Or stay? She said, boy, I can't be safe for me ask him how he do me ask him about jerk pan. But I told me just love the pan and my girl listen and give me no hand.
Real. Wow.
Yeah, man. A real thing, man. Yeah, man, and you know use cursing oil like if I have kitchen and bone over.
No cursing oil. For y'all who don't know what bramble is, them they are little pieces of dry wood or sticks where you broke up and catch fire with. You understand? In the real country side of Jamaica, the country people them gonna know me I talk about when I say bramble. That is bramble. Broke up the pieces of dry wood them, or the dry pieces of sticks, and throw them there in a fire. You understand? Them they catch quick. Crazy vibes. The man say no use kerosene oil. And him just sprinkle water over chicken while chicken dip on the fire. He said even that red stripe beer, you don't sprinkle it while the chicken is over the smoke. If you're seasoning the chicken, that's okay, because you know that the beer tenderizes the chicken. But while it over the smoke, them man ain't deal with it like that. Crazy jerk champion we're there so with today, and we in Hanover. It's a blessed vibes. Crazy vibes. Now we're gonna eat some jerk chicken from the jerk champion. Peace. Whoa.
That one. It's a real man, you know.
This are the soup for today.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Amazing. How long have you been at this man cooking?
30 years, man. About 30 years I run this.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. I run this before 2000. When 2000 highway opened. I run that before that.
That whole authentic vibe me I get from the ground to the board, the structure of the boards, them the ground polish. You can see say are from them long time authentic day vibes from them country days there. Like the real Jamaican authentic polish up on the ground. Amazing.
You see younger generation they get lazy, you know.
Yeah.
They get lazy on the things they old time days are bullshit. But
yeah.
At the end of the day, old time days are the real
This
deal.
is the real deal.
Yeah, man, because old time days never change.
This is the real deal. I love it. This just bring back, cause you know, me is a St. Mary youth. My man and grew up in St. Mary, and this was what we used to. Them kind of structure here, them kind of building structure here.
Born I know when I was at St. Anne growing up.
Yeah.
Between Lymal, Higgintown, Clermont, Golden Grove.
All of them places there.
The day them a bury Bob Marley, I come from Yambush, you know, and a cold tart, you know.
For real?
Yeah, man. Never forget that. I come from Bush. You have to take a Batam Road when they were gas station on the Batam Road at Clermont. The drive just not going to cold tart. And I want to show the drive and go to the hard age school and grown. You have to take the Batam Road and go drop out down at the gas station. Because you couldn't come through Clermont because the crowd.
The crowd?
Yeah. Yeah, man, let me tell them I plant yellow yam.
You come from Yambush?
Yeah, man, I tell them. Yeah, man, and the pandemic we start farm, man. And the Babylon say, what's in your yard? We start farm, them time there. Yeah, man, because they say, you know, if you do this and if you do that.
Yeah, so you start the farming?
Yeah, but then time they me have the policeman and the soldier them said, time, nobody enough food.
True.
And the Babylon say, what's in your yard?
True.
So when they come, we say, my yard be there.
For real?
You see my yard be there?
For real?
Yeah. So, I saw make me and the soldier them and the police them everybody. And it's the whole of the tourism I come from farm.
True.
When they come at the airport, then I know if buy no food for it. And everybody that drive everybody else me. You understand? So I just continue to do it. And we give thanks to everybody said yeah, so I set up.
True.
Nothing you see in a life. You have to just give God thanks and praises, brother.
True.
I know poor man in a life, you know.
Yeah.
You know poor man in a life, I'm not dead.
True.
But no money can buy life. So when a man tell us say poor, all life. You don't know what I'm saying.
How we say life over everything. I say lassie over every king. Love over money, money over gun. Give thanks a little over none.
Enough man alive on the bank and say poor. No man, no man poor.
Once you have life, you're
When
rich.
you have life, you're rotten rich.
Rotten rich.
Because you see when the man dead,
Yeah.
if you have a trillion of money, you can't get $1 with him.
True.
So I'm poor.
True. For
Then
real.
that's my bury me with $1.
Amazing.
If you give me $1, you can't bury me in a use for.
Amazing words, man.
Yeah, man. So,
Amazing
man, the top
words
sit down
from
and
the
depend for man. Brethren, enough talent there Jamaica, you know.
True.
Talent at Jamaica, just the bigger man, enough for the bigger man have the money. We help the little youth them.
True.
And carry them one place and say, listen, you can't swim, you can't run, you can't do that. Help the youth them uplift them, man.
True.
You have the money put on that bank, get it done, if you do not
True.
help the youth them.
Amazing vibe from the great Bigs inside of the kitchen. Yeah, the man has speak wisdom. Yes, man. The man I tell you as it is. Amazing chef right here at Green Island. And we're gonna head outside soon because the coal fire blazing out there and we're going to see some jerk chicken. We're going to see the technique. Yeah, man. Remember, it's a jerk champion over there, so but it's not just jerk chicken alone. Other food there upon the menu. And we're gonna eat. This is the vibe here in the countryside. Yes, man. Hanover.
This is how boy and you take out there and crush you out.
So you do it?
Yes, so I make the body I soup. You know,
But it's
you
yellow though, man.
Yeah, man, when you use no flour and sitting in soup, you just use this.
That are the
Buffalo
original.
and
Oh,
Irish
yes.
potato and, you know?
Yes.
When the pumpkin boil done, you crush you out
Nice.
and you give your body I soup.
Nice.
And then all of them okra. All of them okra.
Half I farm?
Half I farm.
Half I farm.
Yeah, man, so through that. I don't know okra enough for fertilizer and them something.
Yeah.
You see that?
So all of them are going to soup too?
Yeah, man, them are going and soup. Man. So
Oh, yeah.
them they help with the soup body and
Yes.
stuff, you know?
Yes.
So,
So you started farming in the COVID?
yeah, man, COVID, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
That's the main thing.
So what was the main reason for you to start farming? What gave that drive there?
You know what I'm saying? From your youth, I farming. I 7.5 acres land. You are farming.
For real?
Banana and pimento and everything on it.
For real?
Because them used to sell banana to box and plant. And I used to carry banana from Gully.
True.
But what made me left there now is that it's a long story still. Because I go down at 4-year-old to live with them. And the husband make the wheel and put me on the wheel and thing. And it's like them just catch bad mind on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just that. And until today, they don't get nothing wine wheel for me.
Nothing?
Nothing at all. Yeah, man.
My God.
Life is a journey.
True.
You see me I say?
True. And everybody have to go through that journey.
Yeah, and the thing is, when you drop down 9 months, you lay down.
Don't lay down.
No.
Get up out time
Get
mud.
up and and wash yourself off out and new clothes.
True.
And not go down man, we don't want to have.
True.
Nothing at all, say man, we can't. Yeah, man, say I like in a man shoes.
True.
I don't want in a man shoes.
True. Your own shoes.
I feel my shoes no in because my shoes that
True,
squeeze me, no make that squeeze me.
Yes.
No buy my size.
Yes.
So me see that me lane. Yeah, sir.
Whoa.
Me stay in my lane and do my thing, brother.
For real.
Yeah, man. We plant heavy little thing, man. Huh?
True.
Alright. This is cocoa. Look on the cocoa. Look at the cocoa, then big. One we got cocoa, one root of cocoa, me dig up and dig that, you know.
Just one root?
One root of cocoa.
What?
See there?
What?
And me have whole heap on the gate. So me I show you say, man to plant food.
True.
So me I say.
True.
And me say no good man for you have.
True.
No. Just ask God to give you strength and energy to achieve your goal.
True.
Because you see, if every man still in the lane and do their own thing and go German thing up,
the world will be a better place.
the whole of it a better happen.
Every
Yeah.
single one would have better.
And you see when you check it out, the whole Jamaican family, you know.
Then I must, man.
So I love.
True.
The problem in our country because we don't love one another.
True.
That's the problem, bro.
True. But we'll keep spreading the love.
Our dear
We
man,
are always keep spreading love.
I run on the world.
True. All over the world too. Yeah, man.
Garlic and it's a fermenter. So I think this is a season, natural season, so you give everything. You understand?
Yes.
Natural. Buy the pimento seed and crush them.
It's just strictly pimento.
Straight pimento, man.
Wow.
The live seed, man. Buy them.
Wow.
You buy nothing artificial.
Original, straight, authentic way. Yes, man.
Yeah. See pimento ready, man. Live. You just put them in a grinder and grind them.
Oh, wow. Nice. $1,000 a pound. Yeah, big full of pepper in that place, but them say pepper gone down, you know. Say pepper gone down. What did cause the spike though?
Eh?
What did cause the spike?
I greedy, man. I know it's greedy.
Greed.
I don't know. Stand nothing, brother.
Oh my god, and them just use it. Them just use Melissa.
They just use the storm as an excuse.
Yo, man, tell them,
That's
man.
a greed, you know.
Well, a lot of people did feel another time they do it
Yeah,
now.
man. $8,000 pound for one paper, man.
Oh my god.
That's a sin, brother.
It did reach so far? 8,000?
Yeah, man. $8,000, man.
A pound? What?
8,000 and 6,000. I have to see me seat in a man to go to the market. 8,000 and 6,000. You know what going on? Chicken make the chicken nice, you know.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Amazing.
Yeah.
So hold on, where do you blend this after?
No, man.
What?
No, man. You know, blend them. I'll show you how to do with them. And I know if peas with the chemical night.
So they're not sharp.
I call peas either.
Oh, cow peas.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
And I'm a plant, you see. I'm a plant a bush and
You plant the cow peas though?
Yeah, man. I'm planting cow peas. Yeah.
So what are some of the stuff that we have on the farm, Vix?
I have corn, I have pumpkin, I have yam.
So hold on, the can them, I see this.
No, them
okay,
can't. No,
okay, your can them not come on
No,
yet.
they're not bear it.
Okay,
But I have them there coming up there.
okay.
I mean, I saw one pick yesterday. I have pepper. I have really good things.
Did you get started like Christmas? Eh?
Yeah, man. I saw one pick yesterday, man.
What?
Come
Amazing.
yesterday.
Yes,
The
sir.
natural coconut milk.
Natural.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see it red and pretty.
What, it smells good.
You smell it?
Yes,
All
man.
right, all right.
Boy, this pumpkin is pretty.
See it? So the chicken is right now. Season the right night chicken. So it's not roast on the inside.
Nice.
You understand?
Nice.
Then I put this side, this seed, and I want to know nothing from them when I do like this. You understand?
Wow.
People then start to put a road and chicken again and fight.
Yeah, people them are come for them chicken already. So that's just killi and onion.
Yeah, man. And garlic and
Oh.
pimento.
Oh yeah, the blended pimento.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
See it? Right to the bone. So the season I work from inside out. Scallion and garlic, onion, pimento with the spice. So the chicken roasting from inside out.
All of them goodness just a melt way inside.
Yeah, man. The chicken. See it? So when the chicken roast now it's sealed. For your heat.
Nothing to escape.
See it? So it's sealed and all inside also.
Nice.
Onion, scallion and garlic and see and see nothing.
Wow.
See it?
Right now we're bringing out the chicken. See that? This is just well seasoned chicken ready to go up on the grill. But the great Biggs are come doing routine. We just carry out one of the bucket. Getting it right on the counter, yeah. Look on that. Oh, and this is the grill right here. Shine Chrome Grill. The man make it so chrome and he have this over 30 years now. And here's the chicken. This is the amazing chicken. Oh man, can't wait to try this. The technique of how that onion, them big slices of onion, and the scallion onion, scallion, that garlic, that pimento, well, that pimento berry that is grind fully to dust, and then mix up all of that and all of that stuff inside the chicken, all of the big slices and chunks of onion and thing. I want to say mix up stuff inside of the chicken and seal. So when that up and the, oh, I can't wait to taste this. I can't wait for Biggs come show this on the grill. No, I can't wait. Jeez and peas, man. This is my first time seeing that technique, and boy, I can't wait to taste this chicken. Crazy vibes. Yeah, man.
It's an octopus. Cook.
Nice.
Oh, make any guys. Alright.
So you're afraid of it.
Okay.
So you're afraid of
You see how it is, sauce? So that's it right there. So we call that one. This are the bigger specialists. So the great Biggs home style sauce. And this is spicy, super spicy. Getting that down inside that bucket. Oh man.
You never come because you don't know the panic fire. You don't come, when you come, when you come.
Oh yes, that's too much fun. These. Oh my god. This is the home style blend. This is super spicy. This is what you get right here at Biggs. Crazy vibes. And right up there I talk about I'm afraid to go night, but I have to go night. This is just pure seasoning, Jamaican authentic seasonings. Oh, crazy vibes. Look on this. Oh man, go going at this now. Woo! Oh God! Oh, that spice, the flavor we're getting from that. Oh man, you see, this is the real Jamaica kind of that. Oh man, you guys are ready for the run now? Out there? Come on. We're follow Biggs.
No, my lady.
Fancy camera.
We're follow Biggs that road right now.
Good.
Oh man.
I know we're early.
Woo.
We stopped here. We're just getting started. Apparently you're famous on the internet.
When you're coming back, everything will be ready.
Yeah, easy though. This The grill, I noticed the grill have a shape. First time seeing this cutout shape right here. What? Oh, for the coal. Okay, so it's for the coal, so you can
Put in coal.
put in coal. Oh, nice. Boy, I'm not lie. My tongue up on fire right about now. Still up on fire up to now. Remember me telling you, come and try this chicken and come and try this sauce. Oh yes, the vibes. So right across from Big, see there, right there. So here's a stall right here. You can get fruits, tons of fruits. You see pineapple, banana, good old. On the hide around there and about. Blessings. We enjoy. We definitely enjoy. Where are you at, man? How you live, man? Oh my god. I thought like a father. Pineapple.
That's the island.
Eh?
It's the island. That's Green Island. They name it after this place, name after the island.
Okay, so that's so it's not just the name of the place, one island there for real. Green Island.
See how the is up.
Okay.
Look at that ceiling, see?
Nice.
See if I can ship.
So the cane there. The great big just a show one. Oh yeah, cane there. Coconut jelly there, orange there. Banana there. Crazy vibes. You don't know the vibes, and that's the island over there, so. Great big just a show with the island. I never know some actually island there out there it named Green Island for it. And chicken them there over there, so I go and smoke out. You don't know the vibes. Yes man. Cane. This is before we go in the jerk chicken. I eat some cane. And this lady is right here beside. What's her name again?
Joy?
Miss Joy.
Yes.
So Miss Joy is right here beside Sir Biggs. Right at the shop. So no miss. Literally right. Oh yeah. Sweet Jamaican sugar cane. Sweet Jamaican sugar cane while I wait for some jerk chicken. If the jerk chicken already. Thank you. And banana too.
Make it time,
What them banana name again? Name one name? Bumpy.
The bump with the honey banana.
Honey banana. I don't want them to know. And them are sweet now. I got 10 of them right now. If 2 of them are sweet and small, you can actually bounce out 10 of them one time. Again. Can't go wrong. Right back over the kitchen now for sure. Big thing means there are big so you mash up banana too.
Put it in the
Can you run back?
Black will roll it.
The Jamaican vibe. Thanks, Auntie Joy.
Yeah, thank you.
We're going there, man. We're waiting for chicken feed.
Going to find dirt with one black.
So this is the first flip I'm getting. Oh, that was that onion and that scallion inside. Oh, look how them golden, man. No browning.
One pan chicken from black.
Eh?
One of go on jerk chicken. Natural charcoal color.
Natural charcoal color.
So you call white. TJ breaking this, you know?
Oh yeah?
How do you do? You're good. I will go find them.
So see all of them chicken get them first flip just now. Oh, can't wait for go down in this. Can't wait for taste piece of this and that soup. We can go for the soup right now for come put right on that cold soup right there. That's a sea cat soup, also known as octopus soup. Yes man. Getting that soup pot out now. The original. This is the original sea cat soup right there, so the authentic vibe. See, they just gone up on the cold stove now. This are going to stay warm. This are going to stay on that and stay warm, so anybody who pull up can actually just get a warm cup of soup. Amazing vibes. Yes man. So that's the first serving of soup right there. I will see that goodness in that okra. Look on that. All of that goodness, that okra, that corn, carrot, goodness, and that technique that you use boiling that big old huge pumpkin, that huge pumpkin in tune of the pot for boil and then crush that out and pour that right back in that soup. That technique is amazing. Wow. You know what? They go down in that soup and cup of this. Yes man.
How you cook for them?
This is the spice. We just burn off my tongue not too long. I will get a nice cup of soup right here. This is a soup cat. This is a sea cat soup. This is just an amazing cup of soup right here. Just pure goodness in this. The corn, the chocho, the sea cat itself, the okra, all up on this. Oh, what is this, man? Oh God! And that spice, we taste it before the spice, and that was just amazing. And now the spice going out, make us walk one. Big said this will taste better with that spice. Oh, wow. Oh, man. That's just pure goodness right there. A touch of this okra right here, and this is straight from off of the farm. Oh God! Oh man! Whoa! This is one of the nicest cup of soup ever. Like when I drink 5 cup of this right now, 5 or more. Whoa. And this is just mainly vegetable because no spinach at all is in this. Just the carrots, the chocho, all of them thing there. Oh man, and that flavor. Huge chunk of carrot. And this is super hot. And this literally just come off of the fire from the inside. And see it on the stove right here. And that I go retain that heat, so whenever people pull up them can just get a hot cup of soup. Oh yes, time for going at this sea cat right here. Look on this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look on this. This is the sea cat right here. Let's see if we can get a better look on it. Yes man. Oh man.
And if you have no one season, maybe they have any season like in the same program and you throw the skin in the corner if you have one. Of course, you can go to the water. No man, no, you don't put the coach can go water. When you turn the fire, you cover the pot. And lift by your bathroom, turn them low. Go and lift and go bathe and come back. And you come back and have over water. You put in a skill and you have to season and score your back.
Man, all I can say is when I want to get driving for come at this spot. Way down I drive from Kingston, from the end of Jamaica to the other end. We come at this spot. I won't regret it. And just imagine how now when I touch that chicken, that technique also. Oh man, can't wait to try that chicken, but the soup gone.
You go too much on curry and gal, man. When you do that, it have a good body, good gravy.
Get a nice sea cat right here again. Nice piece of sea cat.
Low fire. If you come in fire, low fire. I'm going to show you to fry out. Yeah. With the curry. Fry out with the coconut milk. What do you like? Man. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, this is a pie. Pure goodness inside this cup. You want to get that juice out of that corn. Make sure all of that goodness is about all of that. Don't make none left. How big is cup? I have big. I have to go share. I have to go secure one for carrying it. Can't make this long. Oh God. This is a bite. Yeah, man. It's lunchtime now. People start pull up, come for them soup. The chicken is not ready as yet, but you know we're staying over for that because I have to try that chicken. But this soup gone, literal gone. Oh, and yeah, remember to try it with that spice. Remember to tip some spice in that and try it. Oh, no more regret it. Remember your hard life telling them. Scoop of soup done just like that. Minutes. And this is super hot, but the flavor just keep going. So the heat, not really mind. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, man. This cup of soup is amazing. Amazing cup of soup. I'm telling you. And remember to try it with that sauce. Remember to try it with that sauce also. That sauce also. I have to pour some of that sauce all over that. Yes, man. No more regret it. Crazy vibe. Whether you're traveling from Kingston, come straight to the next end of Jamaica. You don't have to fall to come try this. No joke. Yeah, man.
We go North Carolina, you know. And then you want to grill. I mean, a 2,000 quarter of chicken. I say my blood travel.
2,000 what?
Quarter of chicken on function. And we are cooking homeless then. And about 10 people in the kitchen. Then when we put up the chicken, I show them how we stuff the chicken and deal with it.
Yes, sir. Do it for
We love.
Do it for the love.
Yeah, man, I do it for the money, man. I do it for the love and the money come.
Do it for the love and the money come. I like that.
So that small cup of soup is for 300,
Yeah, man.
and that medium cup is for 500.
Yeah, man.
Why that medium cup worth way more than that.
Yeah, but you know, I love where I deal with.
Great mix right here. Yeah, man.
We don't care what we go back.
That's
Big
a
up
vibe
yourself,
here.
you too.
Yes, I. Manners every time. See.
Well, listen, I'm sure I'm flat, man.
So even so hold on. These were the posts.
Nah, man, everything is so brand new, man. Everything brand new.
What?
Yeah, man, it's a flat out, man.
So it was pure even this was zinc and board and
Zinc on the front, it's up board. And both sucked in there.
so all of this way I don't look man, just fresh, brand new. And you never waste no time at all after Melissa do the damage.
To be honest, take about 2 months. A month.
So this just there probably a couple of weeks now then.
Just start a couple of weeks, but you sit down at the shop and do it on the top days.
Okay,
Then I
okay.
work out because people just drive past. And I remember seeing there.
Oh, people were driving past.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, we come back on the front, you know.
Have to come back on the front page.
So you see up and this and this.
So what else you going to do to it? Or you left it as a open space like this?
No, man. You set up one door.
Set him up. A place I go come on still.
Yeah,
Little
man.
by little.
By step.
But this is a fresh spot. Even the colors nice
Yeah,
though,
man.
Bigs. I like the color choice
Don't
though.
paint it, you know, just
You know done
prime
painted.
up.
For real.
Yeah.
People pulling up for them soup. It's a crazy vibe and that chicken on the grill same way. You know done it, but it a come on. So that original spot we wanna use to that original zinc front spot that we wanna use to. That Melissa took that away. But this is what it is now. I'm gonna go up on the front and show you so. Whenever I pull up and get food from Biggs, this is the color of the space. This is not the zinc front and I look on again. This is it right here. See that? See that beige looking color? All of them, the posts, you see the yellow, the green, the black, the red go straight down. This is the new spot that you guys should pull up to and enjoy some good food. And remember the landmarks them. See the container there? That aqua blue container over there. So no can't miss. No can't miss. Container the right there so to see the shop the right there. So no can't miss, man. This is the authentic spot, the original spot. But Melissa just take with the little board and the zinc and thing. But now this spot there is newly built and still a blaze, still a cook. See there? That's the vibe. Yeah, man. Wow, that soup is amazing. We have to go seconds. Yes, man. We can't go one time a night. Respect. Oh, more soup. When I think we're done. Yes, man. More soup. When I think we're done. Whoa. Oh, this looks so good. Oh man, jeez. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh man, let's look on this. This is well done. Oh, getting that spice. Yes. Yes. Look at ketchup to cool him down. Oh yes. That's it right there. This is the amazing technique right here. Yes, man. Oh man. We have to go seconds in the soup. We had to go seconds in the soup. The soup is amazing. Don't watch this. I just piece of time stick. We'll just rest that down right there. Oh, that pumpkin on my finger. But we traveled from Kingston. Oh, that soup tastes so good. Oh. But we actually traveled from Kingston to come try some of this jerk chicken. And we see that technique from inside the kitchen. We see how that we see that well seasoned chicken from overnight, well marinated. And then that technique where him actually dice the onions. Huge dices of onions and those scallions, you understand, and garlic also, and that pimento, crushed pimento, can't forget that. Just pour over that and get all of that into one family, and then just stuff that inside the chicken. Man, that technique is amazing. I will never try that before. Today we are gonna try it. Crazy vibes. We are gonna dive into this right now. Yo, just the oh, this is the breast, and Just look on this. That just like literally just take it off and that just come off. Just like that. And the texture squeezing that. You can see all juice. Look there. That's juice right there. And you can actually still see all of that onion and all of that scallion after them jerk. Right here. Inside the chicken. You even see some inside the chicken. Look. That's officially that onion inside of the chicken. And oh, that technique, and pour a little of that hot sauce. And pour a little of that hot sauce and some of that ketchup to cool down the hot sauce. But now we're gonna get some of that hot sauce on top of this. We're gonna get some of that hot sauce on this right now. And some of that ketchup. Oh yeah, this is just pure goodness. It's just pure goodness. This is hot sauce right here and ketchup on the other side. Oh yeah, and that onion still inside. Oh, onion still inside. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. The flavor you're getting from this chicken. Yo, the flavor is just different. Oh, wow. It's a unique flavor. Oh, we got some hot sauce on this. This is the tip of the breast. We put some ketchup on top of that right now. Let's put a piece of onion and a piece of scallion on top of this. Just like that. That texture, that flavor. Oh my god. Oh man. This is my first time actually seeing jerk chicken done like this. And I think I'm new favorite way. That spice is kicking. We'll get a piece of scallion on this piece right here. Let's get some hot sauce on this. And see how this hot sauce blend. If you don't hear me talk gibberish, it's because that pepper is hot, super hot. So that has tons of pepper bubbling inside that blender with tons of ground seasoning. The same pimento. Oh, crazy more stuff. Oh. I'm telling you, if you guys never tried the Great Big's jerk chicken yet, let's take a drive, come down in Hanover and come at Green Island. I'll pin the exact link and I'll find him right here. Every day you can get jerk chicken. And even the soup that I got on night soon. That soup is amazing. Let's get some hot sauce on this. Hot sauce is just dripping. And that chicken is just dripping. So I'm follow this chicken. Would I drink more soup? This chicken is definitely worth that drive. Pull up and come try some. Gonna sell. Well, I'm going to have some of this soup right now. octopus soup. The corn. That all of the vegetables inside, all of the I'm not sure if them called fruits or vegetables, but the okra, no meat at all. No spinach or dumpling. It's just strictly vegetables, like a vegetable soup mix. Ooh. Carrot. Tongue of bun off and the soup is hot, so no heat, that pepper heat plus the hot soup. Not gonna work out well, but this one going in. Oh, but wait, we never put no sauce in the soup. We have to go get some of the sauce in the soup, man. We have to go get some of that sauce. That's a signature lick right there. I have to put some of the sauce in your soup. This is it right here. On the forward, I have to get some on a spoon like this. Pour it on a spoon and put it inside that soup, just like this. See there, this amount, and you just put that inside that soup. That's the signature lick. That's the signature lick right there. I have to put some of that sauce in on the soup. Crazy vibes here. Very big. Amazing. We have to go seconds in the soup, and that chicken. That chicken is amazing. I love it. But that technique though that you use, what is it that you started out when you start jerk? You start with that same technique or something where you develop over time?
Man, it's a vision.
Is that vision?
Wow. It's a vision when you start doing it. Same day coming down after time.
Wow. How long ago was that? A couple years ago?
Right here now.
So it's been a couple years well since I used that same technique with that one. Yeah. Man, if you never try that from before 2000? If you never try that technique, that chicken, you don't have to try it. You don't have to forward. The boss him get a vision for do that, and like that gone.
History.
You know you can't attack do this.
Nah, man, I love cooking.
No, the technique me attack.
No, but
You can't change that again, you know?
you can't change it.
The people them used to this and this, that if you never taste it, you don't have to follow that this spot come actually taste the chicken.
You can't ever stand on your business.
True.
Every day try the better and better.
True.
That
Crazy
chicken business
vibes.
going.
Crazy vibes, and we're gonna go down to this soup. Respect again, Biggs. Amazing spot here in Hanover. First time in Hanover and never disappointed.
I know.
Oh,
You're ready long time.
oh, oh. Okra. Another soup. See there? Okra from off the farm. Oh, that spice really make a difference. And inside the kitchen over there, other stuff preparing like home style chicken and fish. You can actually get more stuff here, not just jerk chicken, but this is his signature dish, that jerk chicken. One of our very own Jamaican jerk champion, right on the spot. Yeah, man. Chocho, pumpkin, carrot, corn, sea cat. Can't get no better than that. Remember to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. If you want to follow up on the journey, we're going to eat some food right across Jamaica. And if you want to know the location, remember to hit that link, that Google link that I pinned in the description. And you can come right at the spot then moving forward. And come eat some food. Just like me. The vibes. Yard life. Yeah, man. In a soup, you know. Soup with the jerk chicken. Amazing mixture. Oh God.
Steaming already then. Like when we let them depend on them and the fire catch them in there. They take like 15 minutes already. They must steam meanwhile and with the heat that take them to steam. So you break the fire up there over them. Left on 5 minutes then catch the color. And they already cooked. So they put brown in pan jerk chicken. Brown to make chicken run black. Because some of the jerk run black and browning. Brown let the pan jerk chicken run. Natural cool, natural color.
Come on. That chicken is done completely. And the soup, about to get demolished. Wow, the time I think some close off, still there. Oh my God. That's just good food. Yes, man.
So now I'm cool and why is it? Wow. I'm cool and I kill wash your hand.
Wow. Amazing. And remember, you can also get natural juices on the ends right here. These are straight from off of the farm. Beetroot. This is a sorrel right here, and them are straight from off of the farm. Crazy vibes. Cause remember, I do farming also. But that tastes so good. We get stuff to go right now. We have soup. We have carob soup. That would be like the third cup of soup, and we are got more chicken again. Crazy vibes here. Ho ho ho. Man, it's amazing. Yes, man. That's a vibe. This is soup. This is the third cup of soup. Oh, that big stuff fix up a soup there for me. Crazy vibes, and also more chicken. And right here in our hand we have sorrel, and this is right from off of the farm. Typical sauce in there for me like to go. Please, Biggs. Oh yeah, see there, the technique. Oh yeah, this is sorrel right here, and this is straight from off of the farm. So we can get natural juices right here, because remember, Biggs around when it comes to farming also. The okra, all of them things there from off of the farm. But you don't know the vibes. Soup to go, and that chicken, more chicken also. Yes, man. Breast and wing. Yes, man. Respect. More chicken to go, more soup to go.
You want to run I know?
Yeah. So hold on. Them juice that we run out.
Chicken now.
Whoa! Them they are a chicken juice. Them they run out of the chicken, sir.
Yeah.
Wonderful to just see that just now. Like juices are run out of that chicken. Whoa! Amazing. Great Biggs right here. Excellent. Crazy. Yes, man.